Right, so to create your tour poster, even, you want to go to File, New, select International Paper, select A4, and then press OK and it'll open up the document. What I've done to have consistency in terms of the branding is I've copied all the layers that I had in my CD cover, and I'm going to amend them in creating my tour poster. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the colour block, background block that I created. I'm just going to drag this out so it fills the whole page. Click Apply. I'm going to take the image of Miley, drag her over so we can see it. I'm just going to change the size of that. It might be a little bit pixelated, but remember you'll be taking your own images anyway, so you shouldn't be using found images. And then we want to apply. I'm going to move the text over here, and I'm going to move that, just change the size a little bit of that RCA and place. I'm going to place that there. Now that leaves all of this area here to add text for the tour dates, and just saves you a lot of hassle having to recreate material for a similar product, because you'll have that sort of brand consistency anyway. So we may say like October. Oh, change the line spacing back to 0 because it saved the settings. So text is a bit too big. I don't know. I'm just going to come up with some random dates. 15th of November. O2 Academy. Whatever it would be. O2 Arena. 12th of December. NEC Birmingham. Obviously that text is still a little bit too big. Let's just change the size of that. That's a bit better. And then we'll just keep listing. So I'm just going to copy these for the time being. So it's going to be a little bit repetitive, but at least you'll get the idea of what we are doing. See all those tour dates, etc., etc. Oh, don't want to do that. Create another text layer, because obviously there's a couple of extra things that you get on a tour poster that you wouldn't get on an album cover, one of which is the cross promotion of something like a website. I don't know what Miley Cyrus's website is, but I'll guess it's miley.com, something like that. So we'll just put that in. I'm just going to line that up a little bit more closer. Just Command and plus to zoom in. I don't quite like that there. So move that. And we might want to use something else like a QR code. So if I just go to this Google of a QR code, so the QR code itself might actually take you to where you would buy the tickets or something. Let's call it QR. Save. Back to Photoshop. File. Place. Find this QR code that we've just stolen from the internet. Just shrink the size of that a little bit more. Place. And then there we have it. I don't think that's the best positioning for that one. Maybe put it down here so it's not on top of our forehead. But you get, I'll just line up the margin there as well. But you get the idea. I'd have a look at, make sure that you have a look at some tour posters for the sort of artist that you're creating a tour poster for, and also make sure that the locations that they're performing in are relevant for that artist. So would they perform in the O2, etc., etc. And you should be fine in creating your tour poster now. Enjoy. Oh, you should also have links to social media, which I haven't done, so make sure you do that. There's elements in here. This isn't perfect, but gives you an idea of how to start your poster at least. Okay, cheers.